This is Hope Central, the Adventist Broadcasting Network of the Central Luzon Conference. December 4, 2010, the Caloocan Adventist Elementary School conducted its first Christmas cantata at Central Luzon Conference, Cuecueco Hall, Malabon City.
Well, it is to expose the talents of our pupils in KS because we have noticed that these children are really talented and we wanted them to use their talents in praising God. And in that way also we would be able to inspire their parents so that they will continue to send their children in school and they will be satisfied that their children are being trained holistically in our Christian Adventist education.
Feeling po namin, we're very fortunate kasi po, once in a blue moon lang po ito mangyari, saka maswerte po talaga kami kasi nakasali kami dito.
Akin naman, buti nagkaroon ng ganitong event dahil bago kami gumabit, nagkaroon ng ganitong event.
Maganda siya. Parang sa mga magulang, nakakatuwa kasi nakikita namin yung ginagawa ng mga bata. Talaga na-appreciate nila, lalo na kami yung talaga nag-pursue sa kanila na gawin yun. Nakakatuwa talaga. Parang sa amin, fulfillment yun sa amin. Dahil syempre kami nagpapaaral kami. Gusto namin may makikita kami na ginagawa nila.
Unang-una, maganda yung programang ginawa ng mga bata at ito ay nagpapaalala sa atin na mayroong Kristong dumating dito sa atin para tubusin tayo sa ating mga pagkakasala. At katulad ng kanilang inawit na kailangan daw yung pag-ibig ay ibahagi natin sa kapwa-tao natin. Kaya parang naging makahulugan para sa mga magulang, ganun din sa mga bata yung programa ginawa natin sa gabi nito.
Indeed, many were blessed by watching and hearing songs by KS pupils. This is Bon Anibago reporting for Hope Central CLC.